Okay, so I am making another cleanser that I have not yet made. I found a recipe from one of the sites that I look at frequently, and I like to test out some of these new ones, but this is for my teenage son. So teenagers have issues with their skin, trying to get them in balance, and I'm decided I'm going to give this one a try. I like the ingredients that are in it. A lot of the ingredients are some of the ones that I typically use for my cleansers, but I like these, so I'm going to give this a go and see how it does for his skin. So I'll go ahead and give you a rundown on what we're doing. I boiled a cup of water. I boiled some water earlier. I've got a cup, and then it's now down to room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. You want to put your water in first when you're dealing with Castile soap. You want to put your water in first, because if you pour the water in after the soap, then it's going to be already foaming and lathering. So now we're going to do a 1/4 cup of the Castile soap. Now I try to keep Castile soap on hand. It's great for lots of different concoctions and lots of things all together. So I'll get the Castile soap in there. Give that a little mix. Now we're going to use 5 teaspoons of jojoba oil. Okay, so we've got that. And now 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Honey is so good for you. It's good for you to eat. It's good for your skin. There's just not much wrong with honey. And our bees, we have a new starter hive of bees this year, and they've done a pretty good job. We are not going to be taking any honey from them till next year. So hopefully we will not have one of those bottles next year. We will have our own bottles. Okay, so the next thing is tea tree oil. Now, if you know anything about essential oils, tea tree oil is like an amazing product. It can do so much. And we're going to do a teaspoon of tea tree oil. Get this little stopper off the top. Go ahead and give that another stir. Get the honey and everything stirred in. Now the only thing that we have left is the other essential oils. We are going to be doing 15 drops of lavender essential oil and then 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Both are really terrific for skin, especially someone who has acne prone skin, which most teenagers do. I know I did. Okay, so here's the lavender. Okay, there's the lavender. And now the rosemary. I love rosemary. I love the smell of it. It smells clean. It smells like soap. And it really smells, I love everything about rosemary, I guess. I make a lot of rosemary breads. I use rosemary chicken. But rosemary is very good for cleansing. So we are going to now give that another good stir. Get them all mixed in. And I've got the foaming pump bottles. Let's see if I can get this in here without making a huge mess. Get a little bit of it in there. These are the foaming pump bottles. They're terrific. You just give them a couple pumps and it's already foamed for you. And there's not a lot of waste that way as well. Okay. Foam's already trying to escape. There we go. And it smells good too. So with all of these concoctions, before you use them every day, you just kind of give it a quick little shake and you're good to go.